All right, we have a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500, and it has the Premium Plus package on it. And don't quote me, but I'm gonna say it's a 6-inch lift on it. Pro comp. "20-inch chrome XT series rims. And you got the BFGOODRICH all-terrain tires, 35 by 12.5, 20 LTs. Got the 6-inch wide chrome running boards. Front and rear parking sensors. Window tint. Black leather with the full center console. Full coverage GMC floor liners. And these are the ones that have the little chrome accent. Power adjustable passenger and driver seat. There's our wireless charger here. Locking glove box on the top. There's your owner's manual and wheel lock. Navigation, heated and cooled seats, power adjustable pedals, lane change alert, dual zone climate control, backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth. There's your garage door opener and your power sliding rear glass, and then LED map lights there. There's the full coverage floor liners. They go all the way to the back of the seat. There's your tow package, reverse sensors, backup camera, factory spray and bed liner. It's got the BOSE audio, driver memory seating, power folding side mirrors, trailer brake, 4-wheel drive, auto headlights, 17,379 miles, cruise control. There's your crash alert and heated steering wheel, as well as Bluetooth. There's your backup camera. There's your collision system. Dual USB, dual 12 volt, and a 110. Then you also have 2 USB and an auxiliary port and another 12 volt right there. And then this one has remote start.